Hello guys. This is Astra 2019 three-piston engine, 1 liter. So the timing chain on these cars are very easy. The timing chain comes with their mark, like with the three mark, pink one and two black. And the camshaft and crankshaft all have dots, so you can put the marks on the dot. So the black mark is here. This one goes to the dot. This is intake manifold, intake camshaft, and this is exhaust camshaft. You see the dot and you see the black. Yeah, because from all is different. You see black dot. So this black color goes to the dot, and this black color goes to the dot, and this pink one goes to the dot. Let's see. That's it. So this is Astra rough. You can do it like this easy. You don't need tools, you don't need nothing.